Yeah. Alright, you can open them. This is me again. I'm here with a friend, Brian Pratt.
Hi.
And I just bought 7. So I'm trying to see what I get.
Alright, let's see if luck is with us.
They're probably beneath me because they specifically run the FTK. I just run gem knights that happen to exercise.
Ooh.
Alright.
Link streamer. It's
Limit
good.
code.
It's good for your deck. Alright, round 2.
Yeah.
So you want me to just open all of them while you're
Just
recording?
open these 3, and then I'll open my 4.
Got a little, I see a Link monster coming.
Okay. Space Insulator. World Legacy Champion. That one. FA Dead Heat. Wind Up. Ooh. Someone needs that. Oh. Limit code.
Limit
Okay.
code. I think,
So I have a full set now.
I think you've already got limit code from the first.
Yeah, so I have 3 in total.
Yeah, because you already had 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's anything good?
You can check.
Did he pull an X code?
Alright, round 3.
Ooh.
No, he wants X code.
I want X code. Oh,
Whoa.
Iron Dragon. Oh, I hear that's good. Iron Dragon Tiamaton.
Yep.
If it's up for trade, I want it.
Alright. Now I'm
That's an
gonna.
ultra I forgot about from the set.
Can you hold this?
Huh?
Can you hold this up?
Oh, you want me to-
Yeah, just hold this. Alright. Let's see what I get.
What's that going for?
Well, these are all mine, so. Ooh, red-haired hasty horse, watch cat, Mama
I see a
Mika,
super.
rainbow refraction.
It's refraction. It's refraction. You had it right the first time. Come on, man.
Heartless drop off,
He's good, he's
Protron, Elemental Saber, Anya. I don't know how to say this.
You gonna make the
Insector,
Just Insector.
Insector, okay.
The
And
Insector
Crystal
Link.
Conclave. Okay.
the Link monster for them.
This is gonna be the lucky one. I can feel
Which for
it.
their
Alright,
archetype,
Crystal Keeper.
they can use it,
Promporn?
surprisingly.
Medolce Sistart.
Yeah. Watch cat. Goki Master Ogre. World Legacy
Havoc.
Awakens, Mech Knight Abram, Brighter Solar, and Revendroid Evolution. Alright.
Okay, this one is the lucky one.
I have a feeling it's a lot.
This is the pack of destiny.
Alright. 3
Come
Trolling
on.
Trolls.
Let the Nirvana
Defrag
spirit-
Dragon. Called by the Grave. Ooh.
Yeah, there you go.
Trickstar
Ooh.
Belladonna.
You said that
Seeker's
other
Light.
pack. You said the previous pack.
But
I was right. I was
Seconds
right.
light,
Trans-
you got it
Familiar.
this time.
Goki
You're
Bear
right.
Hug, Altergeist, and
God,
World
I can't
Legacy
win.
Nightmare.
Of course you can't win. Now when you play
Pulls
against the
Ibly.
master.
Oh my
Now that's
god.
one of the ultras I do have, is the Trickstar Link monster.
Unicorn, I'm like, I want.
Marcus pulled
Alright,
that last
Trindangle, yeah, last one. Trindangle Trinity, Shadow Doll
Trespina,
Construct,
Trespina.
Altergeist Kid Gola, Vendred Nightmare, Linkbound,
Meh.
okay, and Revendred Executor, Yajaro Invader, Trickstar Mandrake, and Cyclone.
You're number 32.
That was it. Got some good stuff.